How's it going, on? Welcome back to Learn to Hunt. Today, I'm going to talk about patterning a shotgun. A lot of new hunters, the young hunters, you'll hear us talk about that. I'm going to explain to you why. I didn't really understand it when I was younger until it was actually drawn out for me, and it really helped. So I'll do that now. When you're shooting a shotgun doesn't throw one little bullet. It throws a whole bunch of pellets, in a direction, hopefully more or less kind of in a circle. The goal that you want is to get the best pattern, which means just having say this is your circle with as many BBs and holes in that pattern as possible. So when you shoot, when you aim at, say this is my fancy turkey head. When you shoot at this turkey, in the perfect world, you want as many BBs in that circle to hit that head as possible. What happens is if you got a gun that's not patterned, you'll shoot here and your circle will kind of be over here. So you get a couple BBs in there, but not many. And if anyone sees the turkey head, it moves like this all the time. So the more pellets you get over top of the head, the better. So you can correct this by, old school. When I grew up, you just knew you had to aim high to the left. But today, with all these fiber optic sights, they're cheap. They'll snap onto your, on your rib of your gun, and you can take this pattern and adjust it and bring it right into the head, and now you got more chances to kill whatever you're shooting at. So there you go. Good luck hunting.